A problem has been detected and Windows has been shut down to protect damage to your computer. A clock interrupt was not received on a secondary processor within the allocated fucking time interval. If this is the first time you've seen this software screen, don't restart your computer. Fuck you. Windows 8. Windows 0. RSOD. The Motic. Fucking slut percent. Fuck. WTTW, Chicago, Illinois. Fucking cheap. Solitaris.
The solid rubber tire is designed for off-road trivial bullshit that this is all. This tire tried to fight for equal rights and must be euthanized. By now, so much of the processed rubber for the tire production has been wasted on trivial
Thicker than a Snicker.
bullshit that this is all that remains. The small amount of rubber is poured into a wooden casing shaped like the finished product to prevent employees from wasting even more of the precious. We don't know exactly when popcorn first exploded onto the snack scene, but it was likely thousands of years ago. In today's hustle and bustle world, it's not uncommon to forgo brown bagging it and instead grab a meal on the go. It's not surprising to see that food retailers, from mega supermarkets to convenience stores, carry pre-packaged sandwiches for the hungry in a hurry customer. Ham and cheese.
And pickle.
Tomato. Miscellaneous salad. Just a few of the many sandwich varieties you can buy ready-made. Retail customers order the specific ingredients they want in their sandwiches, and the factory hires its employees accordingly. The first step is to load fresh bread into an automated machine. The bread is slapped to ensure its quality. Cheaply made bread will crumble, while high-quality bread springs back into shape. A large helping of melted butter is added to the slices to help them pass through the upcoming machinery. For this sandwich, a jizz of mayonnaise is required, which is squirted onto the bread via an automated dispenser. Workers then lay on grated cheddar cheese with their bare hands, feeling each and every bit of cheese that goes onto the sandwich to ensure that it is properly shredded. In another area, traditional ham logs are squished into a slicing coffin. The slices go off to the assembly line where they are then added to the sandwiches. Barehandedly, of course, for an added salty flavor. Next, they close up the sandwiches, occasionally giving a light spank to the naughtier-looking ones. Security checkpoint. Here, each sandwich is cut in half and scanned for contraband material that workers may have lost in the product, such as fingernails, wedding rings, fingers, guns, and sandwich pornography. Sandwiches found to be guilty of smuggling are sent to a sandwich internment camp. In the camp, robot arms force the sandwich bread into formation. Any bread slices found to break this formation will be shot with pepper spray to enhance its flavor. The bread is then frisked by another series of arms to make sure that none of them have reverted to their smuggling ways. If a sandwich is again caught smuggling, they are punished by being smothered in one of the most disgusting substances known to man: egg salad. Roughly 50% of all bread slices are smugglers. At the next station, robotic arms lined with suction cups place the bread slices together. Next, a high-frequency blade uses the power of the samurai to perfectly slice all the sandwiches in half. Then robotic arms pick half of the sandwich up, spin it, and stack it. Each robotic arm has layers and layers of caked-on egg salad, dating all the way back to the camp's opening in the 1970s. With this stacking motion, small bits of the food particles are scraped onto each sandwich as well as replenished, keeping the sandwich bloodline pure. A behavior correctional arm automatically sorts the new sandwich halves for packaging. While back at the factory, workers again use their bare, unwashed hands to flip and sort the sandwiches. To conclude, here's a rare interview with a factory employee on why they all elect to not wear gloves during the sandwich assembly process.
I know it sounds crazy, but whenever I touch these sandwiches, and you're gonna laugh at me, you're gonna think I'm nuts, you're gonna think I'm crazy. When I touch these sandwiches, I feel the hands of every person who's touched them before me and after me. And I feel this jolt of like friggin' lightning or something from my head to the tip of my you-know-what. Sometimes while I'm grabbing these sandwiches with my bare hands, I just can't help but throw my head back in ecstasy and moan.
fuck dog shit.
क्या हम सबको रात में देखने वाले चश्मों का इस्तेमाल करना होगा? चंद्रमा एक बड़ी चट्टान है जो कि हमारी रातों को रोशनी से भरती है और रंग भी बदल सकती है। तो हम उसके बिना क्या करेंगे? क्या हम सबको रात में देखने वाले चश्मों का इस्तेमाल करना होगा? ये ओशन टाइड्स को कैसे प्रभावित करेगा? हमारे मौसमों को, हमारी स्लीप साइकिल्स को?
Brought to you in living color.
I don't like tuna salad, lima beans, or casserole. Mushrooms look like aliens. Spinach? Not a big fan. They just look like dirty socks. I don't like any of those stuff.
Tyson chicken nuggets. They're crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, made with 100% all-natural ingredients.
Mom, please!
They're the one thing kids love, 100% of the time.
Thanks, Mom!
They don't fucking dip it into the fucking ketchup. They are shitheads.
Stěžoval než 24 hodin, jinak by lupínky měly černé skvrny. Nejprve se odstraňuje z brambor špína. Pak brambory putují vodním kanálem do loupacího stroje.
The potatoes travel along a water canal to the peeler.
Pochoutky.
Explode, creating slightly curled puffs.
Řízení směs protlačuje kruhovými otvory.
When the snake-like
Vzniklé hadovité kusy se krájejí. Zahřátí způsobí, že mouka v kouscích exploduje a vzniknou tak lehce zakroucené pochoutky.
explode, creating slightly curled puffs. They spray the
Pak se přidá olej, práškový sýr a barviva. V bubnu se vše smíchá dohromady.
mixes it all together.
Avšak zpět k chipsům. Bramborové lupínky se ještě ochutí práškovým kořením, které nahrazují skutečné chutě, jako třeba barbecue nebo sůl a ocet.
Peanut butter as we know it today